Hontiveros nawa sa script.
XFM Katropa.
Ikuha na i-play lang na. Nawa siya sa script, paminawa daw.
Mr.
You
President,
can
we
ask
may
your
suspend.
staff because it's not written in the bill.
Mm-hmm.
We suspend because what Her Honor is saying is not written in the bill. So I don't know if
We
Her
may
Honor
suspend,
would
Mr. President,
like
but-
me to approach and try to explain because I understand what Her Honor is trying to say. What I'm saying is it's not written in the bill.
Mr.
You
President,
can
we
ask
may
your
suspend.
staff because it's not written in the bill.
We may suspend, Mr. President, but it is actually written in the bill, and I was
Kindly read
quoting
it.
the gentle lady
Kindly read it
when I
into the
responded to her
record.
question.
Then read it into the record because yung binanggit niyong 5 items, nandyan nakasulat yan. But line 27, section 2, line 27 says, the promissory note shall be secured by any or a combination of the following. Yun nga hong binanggit nyo. Nandyan yan. But it says a promissory note will be secured. My question was, paano mabubuhay ang mga ospital kung wala ng promissory note? Hindi nyo pwedeng ibato ito kasi ito sabi, the promissory note will be secured by the following. Perhaps Your Honor would like to make an amendment that says that in lieu of the promissory note, kasi yun ho ang sinasabi ninyo. Ang sinasabi ko, hindi nga ho nakasulat. So would you like to propose? Because we are happy to study and support.
Sige, okay na lang.
Hindi nga ho nakasulat yun. Yun lang naman ang punto.
Problema, kay nga no, mga igala nga mo pataka na labog bangag si Hontiveros niya nga punto. Wa man din na nakabutang diha. Tinood yun siguro no nga si Hontiveros ba yung nagsalig lang sa script? Pag wala script, mga igala nga. Ha? Pag wala script, mga igala, bangag. Basiyo ba? Basiyo, no? Basiyo. Bangag. Basiyo man na. Bangag na lang tanan ni mga tao ron, eh.
We
Wait. All right.